Yup. It's really easy to funny cat relax my cough is not from coronavirus shirt boycott a mom and pop shop out of business. But larger companies usually have so many revenue sources that it's virtually impossible to boycott completely, and even then you need full cooperation from the entire country, world, which will never. Funny cat relax my cough is not from coronavirus shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for women, V-neck, tank top. And if you think it's actually feasible at this point to funny cat relax my cough is not from coronavirus shirt, try to boycott all AWS consumers. Well, bless your heart. And I hope you enjoy being a Luddite, since that's basically the only way you could possibly pull a boycott like that off. Yup. Companies just don't care about random politics like this article. And outside of publicly traded companies, good luck finding out which companies use Amazon services. I mean, I agree with that totally. I'm not even going to try to argue that, but that goes along with official funny cat relax my cough is not from coronavirus sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt. No man in the world has more courage than the funny cat relax my cough is not from coronavirus shirt man who can stop after eating one peanut. There were so many fucking shills in those comments. I'm sure they're here in this thread right now. Why not? Amazon is so overrated. There are thousands of other places to shop online. I really don't get the big fuss about them. Amazon has never before been more. Other products.